Hi friends, in this video I am going to showing how to configure choice collector node in OpenAM. In the previous article I have given the choice collector node with different options, but in this video I am going to showing login with OTP or login with password. It means that we have two options to login into the application. So you can choose any one of the option to login into the application. Okay. So that is choice collector is nothing but it gives the choice to select options to the user when authenticating. We can simply say that the choice choose authentication mechanism from multiple options. It means we have a multiple authentication mechanism options in which you can select any one of the authentication mechanism to log in into the application. So for example, login with OTP or login with password. So now I will show you in the application how to configure it. So in my system already we have installed OpenAM Mandal. So if not installed OpenAM or something or configuration of OpenAM Mandal, so I have given video links in the description. Please go through that and you can install OpenAM and you can install OpenIDM, OpenDJ also. So if you need, so all links given in the description. So this is the OpenAM application URL. OpenAM.narayana.tutorial.com 8991XAM. So what is the default username? That is the AM admin, and the password you can enter. So now I'm going to configuring this choice collector node in the employee realm. So here we have two realms. So I'm going to choosing employee realm. So in employee realm, there is a authentication. Inside that, there is a trees. So click on create tree. So you can give any tree name. So now I'm giving uh, choice collector, choice collector node test 2. Choice collector node test 2. So I have given like this. So here you can give any name. So click on create. So now we got two nodes by default view. So now we need choice collector. So search the choice in the in the left side search box. You can select choice collector here. So here you can see there is no choice currently. So you can give like login with OTP. After typing that name, you can select create option in the down and login with password. Yeah. So default choice. It means that by default authentication mechanism without if we are not selecting. So enter the login with OTP. So this is the default authentication mechanism selected in the login page. And prompt is nothing but displaying on the screen to choose the options like login. So here I will change the name for understanding like a OTP and password. Simply I will give like this. So here you can give OTP. So OTP and password by default option is OTP and the prompt login with. Okay. Now choice collector having two outcome nodes. Okay. One is the OTP and password because of we have given the two choice. Okay. Now drag from start to choice collector. So OTP. So OTP, if you want OTP, first we need to get the username collector. Okay. So after entering username collector, Then it will go to, it will give, it will generate OTP, like HOTP generator. So drag username collector to HOTP generator. Its length is 8 character, 8 digits length. So after that, OTP email sender. It means after generating OTP, we need to send that OTP to register email address. So in this case, here we have to give email server, host name, username, password, and from address like this. So we have one of the best email server, that is like a fake email server. It's fake in the sense it's not like that. So we can use the like the demo inbox. Okay. So that is the mailtrap.io. So if not having account in this mailtrap.io, you can sign up by using Google account. You can get it on demo inbox with the SMTP server details. Like click on demo inbox. So here we have a SMTP server details. So this is the host name, smtp.mailtrap.io. So here you have to give that one, that name. And what is the mail server host port? So you can use any one of the port. Like I am going to using 465. And mail server authentication username. So here you can just copy this username and paste it here. And then the same way password also. So now username, password given. From address you can give any name like a OTP at the rate example.com, something like this. So we want attribute, that is a mail attribute. So that attribute is mail, that attribute exists in the OpenDJ. So here you can select the no SSL and TLS. That's all. Click on save. So now you send to save email sender configuration done. Now after that we have to validate the OTP. So left side there is a OTP collector decision. Now drag from OTP email sender to OTP collector decision node. So here we have a two outcomes. One is true and false. True means OTP is validated successfully, valid successfully, and false is the OTP is invalid. Okay. Then it will go to the failure node. Okay. This is the OTP mechanism we have implemented. Now the same way we are going to implementing password mechanism. Okay. Now, so password mechanism first we need username collector. Okay. So in before that we can take the base node is a better mechanism. Like you can drag the username collector into base node, and the same way take the password collector into base node. So drag password outcome of choice collector to base node. So now we have username and password. After that, how to authenticate the username and password by using the data store decision, we can easily authenticate. So drag from page node to data store decision. So data store decision having two outcomes, true and false. So if the authentication failed, we have to pass to failure node, correct? So doing relayout like this. I'm putting just false drag to failure, and if authentication successful, we have to pass to success node. This is a success node. Drag to success. So now click on the layout, auto layout. So this is our authentication mechanisms. So here we have two authentication mechanisms. So okay, now open any new browser, or you can open Ignition tab. Okay, so you can enter the OpenAIM URL like slash and XUI question mark realm equal to employee, okay, and service name equal to the tree name. The choice collector node test 2 is the tree name. So enter. See, login with. We have two options: login with OTP or login with password. So you can select. Suppose I am going to select password first. Okay, click on login button. So now it is asking username and password. Okay. Now if we go back to again refresh this URL, then you can select the login with OTP. It will ask first username. See, now it is asking username. Okay. Now first I will choose password, login with password. I'm clicking login button. So there is a user demo and password I'm entering here. See, now authentication successful. Now we are able to displaying profile page of for that user. So now click on logout, return to login page. Now click. So it's a by default option we have given, correct? In this option here you can see where is the choice character node. So here we have given the OTP. So that's why the option is by default selected. Suppose if we give password, you can see here just I am showing the differentiation. Click on save and come to here and refresh this page. Password will be selected. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm clicking on OTP. So click on login button. So enter the username of the any user in the OpenDJ. Click on login. So now OTP will be generated and sent to email ID of the demo user. So now go to our email inbox server here. Here you can get the yeah. So this is the my from address. We have given this from address. Go to select OTP sender. So here we have given the OTP @example.com. This is the from address. This is the customer email ID. Okay. So now take this OTP. Going to and go to the one-time password page and enter the one-time password. Then click on login. So now we have got please contact your administrator. So we will check what is the any misconfiguration. Yeah, go to the login configuration screen. See here, here you can see OTP collector decision. We didn't given uh, we didn't given any link. We didn't redirect true outcome to any node. So that's why the mechanism is failed. So there is a red whenever it is showing red, it means that it is not pointing to any node. So we have already pointed false to failure. So if OTP is correct, if validation is successful, then the true has to go to success node. So here it is a success node. So you can drag true to success. So now click on save. Okay. Now again go to, let's one more time you can see. Okay, login with OTP. Yeah, select login with OTP. Click on login. Enter the username. Now OTP generated and sending to customer email ID. And go to mailbox. Here you can see an email received. This is a OTP. Enter that OTP. Now click on login. Authentication is successful. Now we are seeing user profile page. So this is the user email address. Yeah, this is a choice collector with OTP, login with OTP or password. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Please share comments and subscribe to get latest updates from Narayana tutorial channel. Thank you once again.